Hello and welcome to week 5 of PA124. We are halfway there, and this week we have a chapter that we're going to lecture on, and then we also have your midterm exam that I want to help you review for before you take it so that you know exactly what to expect. So in your book, your English book, I've got chapter 6, proper adjectives. And it starts on page 99. You'll want to do this before you take your midterm exam because all of the chapters up to chapter 6 will be on your midterm exam. Adjectives are modified, describe limit or qualify nouns and pronouns. They provide specific information to make a message more meaningful. Adjectives usually come before the words they modify as they answer questions like what kind, how many, or which one. Gary drove a classic car to the diner. What kind of car? It was classic, so an adjective explained that. 3 members bought tickets. How many members? 3. That is the adjective that we're talking about. There are also descriptive adjectives. They provide details about a noun or pronoun. The descriptive adjectives are, you can see highlighted here, and that the nouns that are modified are underlined in the following sentence. An office manual, a handy reference, a tire firefighter. Those are descriptive. And so you can go through your chapter and really look at like a compound adjective, again, is a fast-paced plot, 5-story building. You also have proper adjectives like Thai food. It would be from Thailand, so it's proper. It gives some examples of limiting adjectives, and then articles, possessive nouns and pronouns, talking about Cammie's picture is lovely. Did you read my book? Demonstrative adjectives like this book belongs to Allie, those managers, that is mine, those kind of things. So that goes through, it looks like page 107. Remember, you don't have a assignment this week, but some of these questions will be on your midterm exam. So make sure that you look at that chapter, chapter 6, before you take your midterm exam, which is due next Sunday. So a couple things about your midterm exam. Remember, it is inclusive all up until chapter 6. So you will have everything from chapter 1 to chapter 6 on your midterm exam. It is worth 150 points. So a lot of your grade is actually a percentage of this midterm exam. There are 60 questions and they are 2.5 points apiece. That's how we get 150 points. And so really it's 60 questions going through sentences, making sure that you are picking the right word. So if you remember, I was going through it and I remember having an ACT that kind of looked like that, where you're picking the right adjective, you're picking the right noun, you're picking the right possessive, you're picking the right singular or plural part of that word. So take your time. You do have plenty of time to finish the exam, almost 4 hours. And so make sure that you give yourself enough time to do that. Use your book. Go back through, looking through your book to make sure that you understand everything from chapter 1 through chapter 6, looking maybe back at these lectures if that helped you, or looking back at assignments that you've taken, just to see where you were right and wrong, see if those things can help you. You also have a week 5 survey due this week that is worth 10 bonus points. So all you have to do is take it and then email me when you're done, and I will add those 10 extra credit points to your final grade. I hope this helps you to review and to lecture over chapter 6. Make sure that you do read chapter 6 before you take your midterm exam. The midterm exam is due by Sunday at midnight. The only other thing you have due this week is a week 5 survey, so no discussion, no assignment. I would use this week if you are behind to catch up. Make sure that you turn in any past or previous assignments. Make sure that you do take any quizzes that you haven't taken yet so that you can get all caught up to this point. I will be emailing you your midterm grade, so make sure that you have that mindset ready. And if you have any questions, please email me. And hope you have a great week. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye.